Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, if installed, service cover, memory modules, wireless module, keyboard, top cover, USB board, hard disk drive assembly, if installed, and system board. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the speaker cable for later replacement. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel that secures it to the base enclosure. Release the speakers from the clips and lift them off of the alignment pins on the base enclosure and remove. Replacement. Place the speakers onto the alignment pins and under the clips on the base enclosure. Route the speaker cable through the routing channel that secures it to the base enclosure.